Ahoy, mates! Welcome to another Tiki Thursday. Today we're diving into the bright citrusy world of orange oleo saccharum and using it to craft a refreshing cocktail, the Orange Boston Tiki-La Punch. Orange oleo saccharum, which means oil sugar, is a syrup made by extracting the natural citrus oils from orange peels using sugar. It's a fantastic way to add vibrant citrus flavor and aroma to your cocktails, punches, or even non-alcoholic drinks. All you need are fresh orange peels and sugar. Combine the two, muddle them gently to release the oils, and let it sit for several hours. Once the sugar has absorbed all those lovely oils, you'll strain the syrup and voila, orange oleo saccharum. We'll have a more in-depth video coming soon to show you how to perfect your oleo saccharum game. So stay tuned. Let's make the Orange Boston Tiki-La Punch.
Tiki Thursday party's ready to begin. Strain that tequila for the won't leave a drop into the shaker. Let's make it pop. Tropical vibes, yeah, we're on the run. From Boston to Tiki, it's all in fun. Pineapple juice, 2 ounces strong. 1 ounce oleo, sing along. Shake it up, shake it wild. Punched off ice, island style. Tequila punch, let's raise a glass. A dash of bitters, top it fast. Pour it smooth, foam to the rim. This Tiki Thursday party's ready to begin. Shake, shake, don't hesitate. Pour it out, let's celebrate. Orange bitters, full on top. Captain Arresto's drinks don't stop. Tequila, tequila. Pour it down, get that cocktail all around. Tequila punch, let's raise a glass. A dash of bitters, top it fast. Pour it smooth, foam to the rim. This Tiki Thursday party's ready to begin. Cheers to the peel, cheers to the mix. Tequila and pineapple, that's the fix. Shake it, strain it, make it right. Tequila punch. Big shout to Keir, you're the real deal. Supporting our show with Tiki appeal. And to everyone watching, you make it grand. Brewing with the captain, the best in the land. Pineapple juice, 2 ounces strong. 1 ounce oleo, sing along. Shake it up, shake it wild. Punched off ice, island style. Let's subscribe and come back next week for more Tiki magic and the fun you seek with the captain's drinks and Scar blast. Tiki Thursday's a party that'll always last. Pineapple juice, 2 ounces strong. 1 ounce oleo, sing along. Shake it up, shake it wild. Punched off ice, island style. Tequila punch, let's raise a glass. A dash of bitters, top it fast. Pour it smooth, foam to the rim. This Tiki Thursday party's ready to begin.
Cheers, crew! This Orange Boston Tiki-La Punch is the perfect balance of tropical sweetness and citrusy zen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming video on making oleo saccharum like a pro. Until next time, keep it tiki.